Welcome. Today we're diving into a comparison of Mighty Networks and Circle, two powerful platforms designed for content creators looking to monetize their communities. Let's explore the key features of each platform. Mighty Networks shines with its customizable spaces, while Circle offers seamless integrations for existing users. User experience varies widely. Mighty Networks provides a vibrant community feel, while Circle offers a straightforward and elegant interface. Next, let's break down the monetization options. Both platforms allow for memberships and courses, but Circle focuses on simplicity in subscriptions. Identifying the target audience is crucial. Mighty Networks appeals to those with niche communities, whereas Circle suits creators with established user bases. Here's a look at successful users on both platforms. Case studies show how unique strategies can significantly boost monetization. Now, let's compare pricing structures. Mighty Networks offers tiered pricing based on features, while Circle presents a flat rate for all users. Both platforms promise robust customer support, but their methods differ. Mighty Networks boasts extensive resources, while Circle focuses on personalized assistance.